Hello there. I'd like to introduce you to a few little pieces of felt, which I've named felted talismans. So this is an idea about making some small, simple little felted pieces that are soft to the touch, have some beautiful surface design, some little bit of design structure on them that can be given to friends and family as a little heartwarming gift. And when I felt them, I think about the people I'm making them for, thinking about positive thoughts, sometimes associating a positive word with a colour that I've used. So building up a little talisman that offers more than just the thing itself, but good thoughts, good feelings, and a little bit of treasure to help people through difficult days sometimes, or happy days, or to carry with them if they want to. So anyway, I just thought I'd share these little ones with you. So I've got a few here. So that's one there, and there's this one, slightly different colorways. They're all made a bit like artists do when they're doing experiments and trialing things, where they might mask off a whole piece of paper, leaving a sort of grid. So they're made in that way, so they all tonally will work together. I've used merino coloured wool as a background. In this case, I often work with Shetland, but this time I've used merino. I've used a little bit of pre-felt for some of the shapes, and I've used some silk and soya fibres, and actually the white is a little bit of viscose for surface design, so you can see some of the different effects that you can get. So these ones that I've just showed you are completely finished and they're ready to hand on to somebody. And I've also got, because I'm going to be running a workshop soon to teach this method, I've got some that are half felted. They're what you call pre-felt stage, and as you can see, they're not completely felted. The yarn that I've got in here isn't completely seated and isn't completely worked in, so they've got some more felting to do. But usually in workshops I have the eureka moment of here's one I prepared earlier, and so I have kept some unfelted ready for the workshop that I'll be running soon. So the colours actually in the video aren't quite as vibrant as I'm seeing myself. Maybe your monitor will show them a bit brighter, but they are gloriously joyful. And yes, so this will be, it's actually a workshop, is a new workshop for me, and it's open only to those on my newsletter at the moment. So it is full. It's coming up later this month in June, and I'm really looking forward to teaching it and sharing this idea with others. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed seeing these little felted talismans, little treasures to be given with good positive thoughts and to be kept and held, maybe in moments of stress, or when you're feeling happy, or just tucked in your pocket. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.